What's up, everybody? Real quick video today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this Kobalt 40 volt leaf blower. The last unboxing video I did got a lot more attention than I thought it would. So I've got a few new things and I'm going to kind of do a few more unboxing videos of, this being one of them. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, there's not very many pieces in here, which is real nice, and it goes together real easily. I have one of these already, so this is going to be a little bit more than an unboxing video. I'm going to do a little use with it as well, because I have some charged up batteries. You know, I try and make my batteries charged before I really put too much use on them, but this came with 2 out of 4 bars charged, so I'm going to swap it for a fresh battery when I do end up using it. But this is what we got: 40 volt battery. This is a 4 amp hour. Another charger. I have quite a few, and if I remember, yes, it pushes on the side though. That's fully assembled. That was pretty quick. All right, bear with me, guys. You know, I'm a little under the weather today, so if I sound a little different than normal, I'm a little stuffed up. But one of the things I like the most about this blower is it's so simple. You know, there's no pull starting, there's no priming, there's no choke. It's just put a battery in and use it. I originally bought one of these as I had a handheld Husqvarna 2-cycle blower that started to kind of lose a little bit of its luster, and I never really dug into it. I ended up selling it to a friend, but I believe the fuel lines rotted out on it. I had it for a long time. And when I was thinking about getting another handheld blower to supplement my backpack blower for bigger jobs, I thought I'll get an electric one so that my wife ends up using it around the house. And she does. She uses it. She likes it a lot. It's super light, even with a big battery in it. It weighs almost nothing. It's super easy to control in one hand. And it puts out like a pretty solid amount of air. It's not a backpack blower. It's I would say it's very comparable to like a small 2-cycle gas-powered leaf blower. Maybe a little less power, but you know, it's got 520 cubic feet per minute and 120 miles an hour, which is not nothing. You know, it'll move some air, and I'll go out here and show a little demonstration of what it can do. All right, so I have a fresh, fully charged 4 amp hour battery in here. I've got a bunch of clay on my driveway from it's fallen off my skid steer after I got it stuck, so I'd like to get rid of it. And I'm just going to show you guys a little bit about what this thing can do. So it's one of the best parts about it is it's pretty quiet, and I think you'll see that. Well, that's pretty much it. You know, it's a good little blower. If you're thinking about getting something that's not 2-stroke, I would give that one a good look. I don't exactly remember how much they are. I'll see if I can look it up and post and add it to the video when I'm editing. But it's a great little blower, and I bought that blower as part of the kit that I'm assembling to handle my new forestry mulching needs for my new John Deere 333G. Which is in another video if you want to go take a look at what that machine looks like. It's always useful to have a couple of redundancies, and I don't want anything that's on that truck trailer system to have to come and go. So that's why I bought another one. But I've got a bunch of Kobalt 40 volt tools. They've really done a really good job for me in the past, and I'm pretty impressed with them. I kind of hung out not liking that whole electrical thing, the electric battery operated small lawn equipment. But I think at this point it's worth it. You know, it's simple, it's easy, it's quiet, and I like them a lot. So if you're looking for a new one, give it a shout, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.